Hi everyone, my name is Rishit. Today is the 12th of May 2024. I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for Tesla for the expiry on the 17th of May 2024. We can see that the max Y level is the same across all the CE and PEs from the last 2 weeks. That's neutral. Quantity is a lot higher for PE, which is positive. The change is higher for PE, which is positive. The short squeeze is higher for PE, which is actually negative. PCR is now less than 1, which is negative. Implied volatility is lower, however, historical volatility is higher, so that's a positive and a negative. RSI is lower, that's negative. No divergence, that's also negative. And by negative, I mean like it's a bearish indicator. ADX is lower, that's it's negative or bearish. ATR is lower, that's positive. Both EMAs are bearish. VWAP is lower, that's bearish, and pivot point and candlesticks are both bearish, so the same. The supports are 150 for this week, and here it says previous week, but this is actually from 2 weeks ago, since I didn't make a video last week. Resistance, again, the same, and overall the prediction is that Tesla goes down this week, based on the option chain analysis. So thank you for watching, enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.